Welcome back, guys. We are going to explore brilliant Amazon cooking gadgets that will revolutionize your kitchen. These must-have tools will save you time, space, and effort, making cooking faster and easier than ever. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This powerful food processor is designed to make meal prep effortless. Featuring a 400W all-copper motor, this versatile meat grinder and food chopper delivers superior performance, whether you're chopping vegetables, grinding meat, or blending ingredients. The durable stainless steel blades ensure fast and efficient cutting, while the large capacity bowl allows you to prepare meals for the whole family in one go. With easy one-touch operation and a compact design, this food processor is a must-have for any kitchen, saving you time and effort with every use. This food dehydrator is your ultimate solution for preserving food naturally while enhancing flavors and textures. Designed with a user-friendly operation, this dehydrator features adjustable temperature control, allowing you to customize drying settings for fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even meats for homemade jerky. The compact yet spacious 5-tray system ensures even airflow, delivering consistent results without the need for rotation. Its whisper-quiet operation makes it perfect for any kitchen, while the clear lid allows easy monitoring. Whether you're making healthy snacks or reducing food waste, this dehydrator is a must-have for every home chef. This ice cube tray is designed to elevate your beverage experience with perfectly shaped ice that fits seamlessly into your favorite tumbler. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, this tray ensures safety and durability while allowing for effortless ice release. The flexible, non-stick design makes it easy to pop out the ice cubes without hassle. Whether you're enjoying iced coffee, cocktails, or refreshing cold drinks, this tray provides slow-melting cubes that keep your drink colder for longer. This pancake funnel dispenser is designed for effortless and mess-free pouring, making breakfast preparation smoother than ever. With its precision nozzle, this dispenser ensures even and consistent batter distribution for perfectly shaped pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and more. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the high-quality, durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. Its easy-to-use design minimizes spills and drips, keeping your kitchen clean. Whether you're a home cook or a professional baker, this batter dispenser simplifies the process, giving you more control and precision for delicious results every time. This innovative whisk wiper is designed to make whisking and cleanup effortless. It wipes your whisk clean in seconds, saving every last drop of batter, frosting, or sauce while keeping your kitchen mess-free. With its flexible, food-grade design, it fits most standard whisks and even doubles as a bowl scraper, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Whether you're baking, cooking, or mixing, this must-have tool simplifies your kitchen routine, making cleanup quick and easy. This pizza cutter blade is designed for effortless slicing, delivering clean cuts with every use. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this extra-large, ultra-sharp blade easily glides through thick and thin crust pizzas, ensuring precision without crushing your toppings. The ergonomic, easy grip handle provides superior control, making it a must-have tool for home chefs and professionals alike. Not just for pizza, this versatile cutter is perfect for chopping herbs, slicing brownies, and dicing vegetables. This potato ricer is the ultimate kitchen tool for creating smooth, fluffy, and restaurant-quality mashed potatoes with ease. Designed with a large 15 ounces capacity, it allows you to rice more potatoes in less time, making meal prep effortless. The premium stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, while the ergonomic, non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip for easy pressing. Ideal for making mashed potatoes, baby food, gnocchi, and more, this ricer delivers consistent results every time. This pizza cutter wheel is designed for effortless slicing, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Featuring a sharp stainless steel blade, it glides through thick or thin crusts with ease. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, giving you full control while cutting. For added safety, the protective blade cover keeps the cutter securely stored when not in use. Compact and easy to clean, this pizza cutter is a must-have for any kitchen, making pizza nights more enjoyable and mess-free. This mini cake pop maker is your perfect kitchen companion for creating delicious, bite-sized treats in minutes. With its non-stick baking plates, you can easily make up to 9 cake pops at a time, ensuring effortless release and quick cleanup. The compact design makes it easy to store, while the indicator lights guide you through the baking process. Whether you're making cake pops, donut holes, or other mini desserts, this appliance brings fun and creativity to your kitchen. This innovative hot dog slicer is designed to elevate your grilling game. Made with stainless steel blades, it creates perfectly spaced slots in your hot dogs, allowing heat and smoke to penetrate deeper for juicier, more flavorful results. The unique cuts also help hold condiments better, ensuring every bite is packed with taste. Whether you're grilling at home, camping, or hosting a barbecue, this tool makes your hot dogs crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and irresistibly delicious. This smart pressure cooker is your all-in-one kitchen companion, designed to make cooking effortless and precise. With 10 cooking functions, it allows you to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more, all in one sleek appliance. This smart cooker connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, giving you access to guided cooking recipes and real-time monitoring through the Chef IQ app. The built-in scale ensures accurate ingredient measurements, while the auto pressure release enhances safety and convenience. This pressure cooker is perfect for beginners and experienced chefs alike, offering a seamless cooking experience with its intuitive controls, precise temperature settings, and smart features. This poultry shears is a must-have tool for effortless kitchen prep. Designed with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, these shears easily cut through poultry, meat, fish, and even tough vegetables. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for maximum control. With a built-in spring-loaded mechanism and a safety lock, these shears offer both precision and safety in every cut. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike, this versatile kitchen tool makes meal prep faster and more efficient. This innovative food block maker is designed to maximize freezer space and keep your food neatly organized. It effortlessly shapes liquids like soups, broths, and sauces into uniform blocks, making stacking and storing more efficient. The easy-to-use design ensures mess-free filling and quick freezing, while the flexible, BPA-free material allows for easy block removal. Say goodbye to cluttered freezers and hello to perfectly portioned, stackable food storage. This French door air fryer oven is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen appliance designed for versatility and convenience. With its spacious interior and dual French doors, it allows for easy access and effortless cooking. This powerful oven features multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating, giving you endless possibilities for meal preparation. Equipped with rapid 360 degrees air circulation, it ensures crispy, golden results with little to no oil. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the intuitive digital display makes operation simple. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a quick meal, this multifunctional appliance delivers restaurant-quality results every time. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.